Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview can be found in the description below. What follows are my personal experiences and observations. I've been exploring loanatlas.com, and I want to share my findings with you. This platform presents itself as a resource for short-term loans, catering specifically to individuals and small businesses. Navigating the website is straightforward. The homepage clearly outlines the types of loans available and provides access to resources like a blog and an FAQ section. One of the first things that struck me was the emphasis on speed and simplicity. They highlight their quick application process, promising rapid decisions and funding. This could be appealing for those facing urgent financial needs. The website also details eligibility criteria, which appear fairly standard for this type of lending. They also discuss the various loan amounts and repayment terms available, giving potential borrowers a good overview of their options. Something I appreciate is the transparency regarding fees and interest rates. While these can vary based on the loan and the borrower's specific circumstances, loanatlas.com appears upfront about the costs involved. During my exploration, I also looked into their customer support options. They offer contact via phone and email, which is essential for addressing any questions or concerns. A key feature advertised on their site is the availability of loans for individuals with less than perfect credit. This might be a valuable resource for those who have difficulty securing traditional financing. However, it's crucial for potential borrowers to carefully consider the terms and conditions, as interest rates for such loans can be higher. My overall impression of the loanatlas.com website is that it's well organized and provides a decent amount of information. The site appears designed to be user-friendly and accessible. Of course, it's important to remember that this is just an overview based on my online exploration. I encourage anyone considering a loan from loanatlas.com to conduct their own thorough research and carefully assess their individual financial situation before making any decisions. Remember to borrow responsibly and always understand the full implications of taking on a loan. I hope this overview has been helpful. Check out the description below for the link to loanatlas.com and other resources. Thanks for watching.